In this tutorial, I'll show you how to change currency in TradingView so your paper trading account matches your preferred currency. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open TradingView and load any chart. Once you're inside, look at the bottom of your screen and click on the trading panel. From the list of options, select paper trading and connect your account if it's not already connected. This is where you can safely practice trading without real money. Now, look for your account section inside the trading panel. Click on it to open the account options. Here, you'll see the ability to manage or create accounts. To change the currency, the easiest method is to create a new paper trading account. Click on Create Account, then enter a name for your account. Right below the name field, you will see a currency drop-down. This is where you can choose your preferred currency such as USD, EUR, GBP or others. Select the currency you want, then click Create. Your new paper trading account will now use that currency for balance, profits and losses. If you already have an account and want to change its currency, click the gear icon next to the account name and choose Reset Account. This allows you to select a new currency and start fresh. That's it. You can now customize your TradingView paper trading currency to better match your trading needs. Subscribe for more TradingView tips and tutorials.